Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have had a wonderful week. I hope your guys' day is off to an amazing start, and let's get started. So I miss you guys so much. It feels like it's been forever since I've uploaded a video. I've been getting a slow start to decorate my house for the holiday season, but that's okay. I just want to make sure that I got all of the pieces that I want to put out, and I want to make sure that everything kind of blend in and kind of be cohesive with my existing home decor, so I don't have to kind of rearrange too much of everything. Okay, so let's get started. So today, you guys, I'm going to be decorating my Christmas tree for the holiday season. So if you love home decor videos and you especially love decorating for the holiday, I would love for you to stay and stick around and hit that red subscribe button and become part of our decorating family here. And make sure you turn your notification bell on, because I am going to be decorating and styling different areas of my home this holiday season. So I would love for you to stick around and be part of our decorating family here. So let's get started, you guys. So I shared within my last video that I was going to be flocking my Christmas tree. So I did flock my Christmas tree, you guys. It is a 7.5-foot Christmas tree. It's an old tree. Older flocking did turn out really nice, you guys, on my tree. So I'll definitely share that with you all when I go ahead and start styling my Christmas tree. Now, my theme this year is Winter Wonderland, but I'm mainly doing like white and silver tones, so you'll see a lot of that in this video. And then I'm also using a lot of Christmas decor that I had last year, and I'm using some different items from some new items from Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and things of stores like that. So let's get started, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I kind of got everything kind of spread out on the floor. This is just some of the things that I'm going to be using to decorate and style my Christmas tree. Now, I don't have everything out here because I'm trying to have room to walk so I don't step on anything, but I'm kind of go through and take you guys with some of the newer items that I have that I bought recently, one I got from At Home Store last year. So this is just kind of like a variety of stuff that I got. This is what I'm gonna be using for my tree. This year I got these little picks here from Hobby Lobby, and these are actually so cute because, okay, you can kind of see. See, when you open it up, it kind of looks like this, like a flower. How cute is that? Hobby Lobby had all of their Christmas decor 50% off. So the regular price of this was, how much was this? Was $7.99, but we have $7.99, but at 50% off, I think it was like $3 and some change. So I ended up picking up some more picks from Hobby Lobby. These came from the Dollar Tree. Last year from the At Home Store as well. Also, I thought these were so super cute, you guys. How gorgeous is this flower? These little picks here was from Hobby Lobby, and these were 50% off. They were $2.99, so they ended up being $1.50. How cute is that? I just love all the bling and glam in there. It's so cute, you guys. So I got those. Got these picks here from Michael's. These are like some flocked picks with acorns and everything on there. Those are cute. And then these picks here I had last season. I got these from Michael's last year, so I'm going to be using those. And then I got these that I had from last year. And did buy 2 rolls of ribbon. I bought this one here. Look how pretty that is. So I got some ribbon here. I got this from Hobby Lobby. That was 50% off at Hobby Lobby. And then I got this other jumbo size ribbon, and it is the wire ribbon. And this one was 50% off as well at Hobby Lobby. So I got that, you guys. So I think I got enough stuff to kind of get started. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started.
Okay, you guys, so I'm going to voice over this part of the video just to make it go a little bit quicker and a little bit easier for you to kind of follow along with my process here. First, to decorate my tree, I like to start off by creating my topper first. So I'm just going to use various picks, the ones that I had from last season, as well as those curly silver ones that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just kind of placing the picks in the tree randomly, just to kind of give it a little kind of crown or flare at the top. Just stepping back and kind of like looking at it to make sure that everything is looking how I want it to look so far. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add the other picks from Hobby Lobby, those beautiful silver ones with the curly ends. So I'm just going to add those in there. Then this topper, I actually had to play around with it several times, you guys, to kind of get it to look like how I want it to look. So don't be afraid to get in there and get your hands dirty and just move the tree and move the pieces around to kind of give you the look that you're wanting. Okay, you guys, so now that I played around with this topper and kind of got it looking like how I wanted to look, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the rest of the tree. So I am going to start by adding some ribbon to my tree, and what I did was I just cut them into 24-inch strips, and I'm just going to place those randomly throughout the tree. And what I like to do is try to go in and make sure that I am like covering any kind of gaps or anything like that. I want to make sure I tuck it all the way in there deep, so that way it kind of hides any gaps or anything like that inside the tree. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start adding some of my silver ornaments on there. I like to use a lot of the larger ornaments first and kind of fill up any spaces and gaps that are in there, just to kind of make the tree look really, really full. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding those silver ornaments first. Then I also have several picks that I have purchased as well, and I'm just gonna stick those in there. Like I like using natural picks with the acorns and everything on there with the frosted tips and all of that, just to kind of add a little bit of touch of the natural element to the tree as well. So that's what you see me adding in here, is just placing those acorn frosted picks throughout the tree. Okay, you guys, so this is what my tree is looking like so far, you guys. I'm so happy at how it is turning out. So I went ahead and placed the ribbon throughout the tree as well, and then now I'm just kind of filling it in with those extra silver ornaments, just to kind of make the tree look a little bit more fuller. You guys, so now that I have a lot of the ornaments already on the tree, I'm going to go ahead and add this faux fur ribbon on the tree. I got this ribbon from Big Lots last year. I thought it was so cute and so glam, so I'm going to add that to my Christmas tree as well. And I actually have two sets of ribbon that I'm going to be adding on here, 2 sets of the fur ribbon that I'm going to be adding on here. And like I said, this is absolutely gorgeous. It just gives my tree that extra little pop.
if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And like I said, if you're not part of our family already, please hit that red subscribe button and click on your bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And to all of my beautiful returning subscribers, thank you all for stopping by and watching and spending time with me. I really appreciate y'all love and support, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.